Alright, you guys, I'm staying here overnight. This is called Kings Point. This is just beautiful too here. Nicely landscaped. It's got a really little harbor here. This is supposed to be also the Bay of the Whales. Wow. That is incredible, huh? And it is windy, guys. I drove up here, 180 miles, the wind was blowing, 30-40 miles an hour wind. You can see by the white caves. The amazing part, look at the mountain range. I mean, I tell you what, every bay, lots of mountain ranges. And I tell you what, if you look over there, that's actually pieces of icebergs right there on the side.